If media sound is not working in your Samsung phone, then in this video I'll tell you few methods by which you can fix this issue. First of all, navigate to your settings application like so and scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. After that, tap on volume and from here make sure media volume is turned on. After that, go back once again and go to notifications, and right here you can see do not disturb. Tap on that and make sure this toggle is disabled. Once you have disabled this toggle, go back once again and go to connections, and from here disable Bluetooth as well. Once you have disabled Bluetooth as well, you will need to force restart your device. To force restart, simply hold up your device and press the power button and volume down button at the same time and keep holding until the screen goes black like this. Press the power button and volume down button at the same time. Keep holding. Now release the buttons once the screen goes black. So that's how you can fix media sound not working on any Samsung device. However, if the issue still remains, then it can be a hardware issue as well. Please visit any nearest service center to get it fixed. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.